Hello, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Glamour Girl 98, and we discuss all things Sisterlocks, fashion, lifestyle, and a bit of health. If that's some of the content that you're interested in, then stay tuned. So welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a quick tutorial for moisturizing my scalp and my locks, because my scalp is like really dry. I live in the Midwest. It's cold, it's dry in the house. I got a little humidifier, but sometimes that doesn't get it. So I need to moisturize my scalp. And I'm not ready to wash my hair yet. I try to stretch my shampoos out. I try to just only shampoo like right before my retie. My retie is in a couple weeks. I think maybe like 3 weeks. I think my retie is due. So I plan on shampooing my hair maybe in about 2 weeks, right? So I need to moisturize my scalp. So in a previous video, I talked about like what I use as far as like the essential oils for my scalp. I didn't per se go into detail or depth about the oils that I use, but if you guys want to know, then go ahead and like and comment, and I will make a video specifically with how many drops of what I put in my oils to moisturize my scalp, because I tell you guys, my dandruff was out of control until I started doing this. So anyways, I'm going to get started. I just use the Heritage Store toner, rose water, facial mist, but this isn't what's in there. I have the Heritage Store, they have an apple cider vinegar rose water. So that's what I have in here mixed with some of my oils. And so I just shake it up, and I'm going to be looking in the mirror, y'all. And I just spray my scalp. I'm also going to be doing like a little quick braid out tutorial. I need to refill this. You guys can hear it. So anyway, once I do that, I massage my scalp. Then I take some oils. I put them in this bottle. This isn't what's originally in a bottle. This is my own mixture that I use. I take some oils. I put my oils in a carrier oil like grapeseed or jojoba. I just kind of like just run it through. This is so refreshing and it feels so good. And if you guys don't know, the apple cider vinegar is good for like build up in your scalp. So, and I massage that through as well. Alright, so when I do my braid outs, I don't like a center part or a straight, I don't like a center part or a straight part. I like an off-center part. So I'm going to be kind of like looking in the mirror that's back there. So I French braid my hair. So that's what I do with my braid outs. I French braid. So So there you have it, just a quick little braid down. This is what I do when I want to elongate my hair or have a cute little braid out. I just, no particular like pattern. I just don't like a full-on middle part. Part it up, braid it up, and that's it. All right, you guys, I'll be back. Bye-bye. So I'm back, and you see I did my quick little braid out. It's simple. It gives my hair fullness. When I want to jazz things up a bit and give a little zhuzh or whatever. But yeah, this is what I do after I moisturize my hair, and I do a quick little braid out. So it's easy, it's simple. I like to do the French braids, and I do them bigger so that I have more of like a body wave when in my hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it is Black History Month, and so as you can see, I have on my queen earrings. You see them there? My girlfriend gave them to me. I'm not sure where she got them from. I've had them for several years now. I have on my Good Vibes Afro t-shirt, and I got this from Acura a couple years ago. I usually wear them with like some bell-bottom jeans, but I've got an outfit of the day for you. And actually this is going to be like with the spring summer trend inspired, so you'll see that in a second. But yeah, I got my Good Vibes Power to the People t-shirt on. I couldn't find my Wakanda t-shirt that I had. I have a couple of those, and I was looking for it, couldn't find it. So I said, well, you know what? I'll put on my Good Vibes Afro t-shirt to kind of like go with my look. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little outfit of the day for you guys, and that'll be it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want more tutorials on like my hair or like an outfit look, then just comment section for me, okay? And that's pretty much it, you guys. All right, now take care. So what's trending on the runway this spring summer is sequins, and that skirt I got from New York and Company like 3 years ago. The blazer is from Target. The shoes are from Nine West. They're peep toe heel. And the purse, of course, is that Kate Spade purse that I tend to grab for, because all of my stuff is kind of like in disarray because I'm redoing my room. Anyway, so I just took the blazer off just to show you what the shirt looks like. Oh, and the belt is from White House Black Market. It's just a kimono style belt. And you know, I probably put on like some sneakers, some gym shoes with it without the blazer. And there you have me. I have those leggings. Those are from Target a couple seasons back, years ago. The gym shoes are Adidas. The purse is from Kohl's, Vera Wang. And the jacket, the denim jacket, is Candy's from Kohl's. And to show you that I love those leggings. I've gone back several times to try to find leggings like that. They're by Exhilaration. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.